Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create and upload a t-shirt in Roblox Mobile. Alright, let's begin. First, open an internet browser. You can't do this in the Roblox app, so make sure to use a browser. Go to roblox.com, log into your account, and tap Continue in Browser. Once you're in, tap the Create button in the navigation bar. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left, go to Creations, then Avatar Items, and select Classic. Set the filter to Classic T-shirts. Scroll down and tap Upload Asset, then choose Upload. Now select Photo Library and pick the t-shirt design you want to upload. If you don't have one, you can download a design from Google Images. After selecting the image, tap Done. You'll see a preview of your t-shirt. Scroll down, enter a name in the name field, and add a description. Once both fields are complete, tap the Upload button. Your t-shirt is now uploaded and ready to use in Roblox. So that's basically how you can create and upload a t-shirt in Roblox Mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.